was literally right by my hand. How you can't be?
He gets the pretzels and then he go and put it in the water. Look at him, y'all. That's so funny. To soften it up so he can eat it. That is hilarious. I had no idea that they were smart like that. He's dipping it in water so he can make it soft so he can eat it. Wow. Ate the whole thing up. And he had to get a drink to wash it on down. He coming back for some more.